Inside the box, you will find the TN100 handheld turbidity meter, sample vials with caps, calibration standards, batteries, instruction manual, cleaning cloth. Start by installing the batteries. Open the battery compartment at the back of the meter, insert the batteries in the correct polarity, and close the cover securely. Press the power button to switch on the unit. The LCD will show the startup information in default measurement mode. Next, calibrate the TN100 using the provided standards. Insert the calibration vial, close the lid, and follow the instructions on the screen to complete calibration. Press the measure button, and the turbidity value will appear on the display. Repeat the process to check the other samples. The TN100 provides quick and accurate turbidity results, making it ideal for field and lab use.